Well, the one thing that I tried to do the last couple of sessions was stop efforts to increase misdemeanor penalties to felony penalties. But I also think this, we need to have a parole board again, and we need to have a situation where we can grant forgiveness. And I think the other thing that has to happen is we have to have a more efficient review of probation holds so that probation holds can be reviewed by the actual sentencing judge.
Is it time to legalize recreational and medical marijuana?
I think so.
You do. Then we do not need a new state prison, is what I'm taking away from your answer to the other question.
I would think it would be terrible.
I don't think we need a new one. I think we need to look at some criminal justice reform. And when I say criminal justice reform, I'm looking at not locking up individuals who've already paid their debt to society for their original crime.
Yeah.
We don't need to have them go back to prison for crimeless revocation. So we need to look at that. We also need to look at a possible system of trying to force the governor's hand, if that's ever a thing, to get him to make the parole board meet. We have people that are in prison under the old law, which was prior to truth in sentencing. We have people that were under the old law but are not getting parole, and they are eligible for parole, but we're keeping them locked up longer. I think we need to look at that and try to revise that. I also think we need to look at the length of time that we have people serving. Also looking at, and on the flip side of that, with the staffing that we don't have enough correction staff. I think we should decriminalize the use of marijuana where we have people that have gone to prison for long stretches of time for having it. I'm not quite at the point of legalizing it totally just to have it for a free-for-all.